Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This video is about how you can create a payment icon log in your Shopify store. So many stores displays a small payment icons like this in Shopify stores to build a trust with the shopper. So I will be explaining how you can create such kind of a blog in your store too. So watch this video completely without skipping. Let's get started. Before that, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this, I'm using checkout extension Ninja app from the Shopify App Store. Either you can download it directly from the App Store or you can just grab the link from the description box. I have added the link to this app in the description box. And a quick reminder that this kind of customization will be available only for the Shopify Plus members. So after installation, you can just open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go to the blog section. Now you can create new blog. So there will be some default template available over here. You can either choose any from here, otherwise you can just close it and you can create one from your own. So clicking on add blog will list out all the blogs available. From here you can just search for the payment icon particularly. So yeah, here shows the payment icon. So I'm just adding this to the checkout. And first then I have to give a proper title. I'm just giving as payment icon blog so that I can easily identify this from my list of blogs. You can also use the meaningful ones. And if you have any conditional visibility, like you need to enable this. So when this enable, the blogs will be available only when that specific conditions are met. So the conditions you can select from here. There are multiple conditions are showing here in this list. So you can choose from any. And yeah, this blog then will be available only when the selected condition is met. Otherwise, you can just disable this. Then the blog will be available in the checkout page always. And click on payment icon blog. Now we have to add a main title for this. Yeah, I'm just giving we accepts as the title. And you can go for some advanced options. The text to be bold or not. Size you can go with this kind of options are there. And color you can choose. And alignment you can choose. So I'm just giving medium and default as the color and the alignment as center. And I'm just choosing the horizontal alignment with the center one as the title. And yeah, icon spacing also I can choose from extra tight, loose or extra loose. I'm giving a base as the spacing and just click on add new items. And here comes the payment icon method. And yeah, I'm just giving Visa as my first option. And let's go with MasterCard. And then let's go with American Express. And let's go with one more. Let's say like Union Pay. Yeah, so I'm just adding one more. Then I'm just giving with the yellow. So everything has done. Now the setup is very simple. Let's save it and make sure that the status is active before saving. And after saving it, I'll be getting a block ID from here. So I have to copy this and let's open the checkout editor page. Now I have to add our custom block to the checkout. And we have copied a ID, right? Block ID. We have to paste that ID over here. So you can see that the block has been created here. So let's save it. Now let's try this out in our online store. So let's try to land on the checkout page. Now you can see that the payment icon log has been created here successfully. So it's very simple, and that's how you can create a payment icon log in your Shopify store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.